G'day and welcome to Drupa. My name is Wayne Robinson, editor of Print 21 magazine. Right now I'm on the Plotmatic stand with Chris Tull, Regional Sales Manager Asia Pacific and Australia New Zealand for Plotmatic. G'day Chris.
How you going, Wayne? Thanks.
I'm going good, thanks very much. Plotmatic, you've got a very large stand here. You've been in the industry for a long time producing leading solutions for the digital print industry. What's the message that Plotmatic is giving to the industry at Drupa, Chris?
Well, Drupa is actually a celebration of our 50th anniversary, so that's a big statement for us. We've been around for a long time. We started out with just booklet makers. One of the largest booklet maker manufacturer in the world for inline products and also offline. And so at Drupa, we're celebrating not just that 50 years, but also the breadth of equipment we're now contributing to the market. So not just booklet makers, we've also got the Morgana product line that has come in with us, and so that's giving us the digital creasers and folders. And then on top of that, now we're bringing in even more equipment with the color cut line and the color flare for digital cut, digital kiss cut, and so forth, packaging.
Okay, and when you say inline and offline,
yes,
by inline, what do you mean by that?
So with our partners like Konica Minolta, Ricoh, Canon, Xerox, Fujifilm, we've just added, this year we've added Kyocera and Research. So we're putting our booklet makers and some of our feeders in line with these partners to help them be more productive and of course making booklets in line with automation and less costly.
Okay, and then the offline, people can buy those machines just as it says, sit offline.
Of course.
Okay, and what are you launching specifically at this show?
So we are launching a lot of products, and I'm sure you're giving me enough time to get every one of them. But one of the ones we're launching offline is the Digifold Pro Ultra. So not only are we doing creasing and folding, but we're also now doing long sheet slitting and cutting. So we can now take a sheet 1,300 millimeters long, we're slitting the side of that for a full bleed, and we're cutting the ends of that to give you finished product from a long sheet, multi-A4 up brochures and so forth. So oftentimes printers may not have a very wide guillotine, and so this is giving them the capability to do that.
Because a lot of those new digital printers from those companies you mentioned now have long sheet printing capabilities. Yes, I guess that's why you've developed it.
Yes, the long sheet capability has really pushed us to come up with products that can do that finishing, and we specialize in that. We're also launching our latest Power Square. So we brought in Wattkiss many years ago, and so we've got the Power Square line, and so we've now combined the 224 and the 160 into one unit called the Power Square 7000. So now that can do heavy-duty booklet making for multiple shifts, 100,000 books per month, but also now we can do landscape A4, 620 long sheets of paper.
And by Power Square, that effectively is like a perfect bind, isn't it, with the square spine?
So the square fold process actually came from that, yeah. So the square fold process is famous with Plotmatic for many, many years, and so we're offering, that look that is a perfect bound look for a fraction of the cost.
Well, you should be in sales. Sounds compelling. And what else have you got to stand?
Let's see, well, the color cut line and the color flare line, so that's really exciting for us. We brought that in as our first foray into the packaging industry. So now we've got digital creasing for boxes and digital cutting, kiss cutting and so forth. So that color cut line is really exciting in the industry.
And is that for, when you say you get into packaging, is that because you're finding that your customers or the customers of those machines are able now to produce on thicker cards so they can actually enter packaging effectively?
Well, they are, and now with the major print manufacturers, that digital print can go on to that packaging material very easily. So an SRA3 sheet size fits really well, but also now we've got products that can do a B2 sheet size, and we can crease and form those boxes. So that package industry, as everyone knows, is growing, and so we're excited to be part of that. We've also got a brand new coder, LED coder, that we're putting both inline and offline. That's working with very low power and very environmentally friendly.
I mean, you bought these companies over the years with Wattkiss, Morgana. Obviously got a large R&D department in Plotmatic.
Yes, and by bringing all these technologies on board, it's really increased the breadth and increased the depth of where we can go with the market. Again, not only just inline, but offline. And so it's given us a lot of opportunity to fulfill whatever the market needs.
Chris Tull from Plotmatic, it's been a pleasure talking to you. Thanks for this brief insight into Plotmatic. It's a large stand here, plenty going on. When we just say thanks again.
Thanks, Wayne, appreciate it.
This is Wayne Robinson, Drupa 2024 for Print 21 on the Plotmatic side, signing off.